We provide subscription-based temperature monitoring service for temperature-sensitive products and processes. We have two base temperature probes versions, with internal temperature sensor and with external one, suitable for different cases. All you need is to place the temperature probe in a fridge and check the updates on the dashboard. To do that, you can scan the QR code. If there will be some temperature deviations from the specified temperature range, you will get notifications in a convenient way. The device can work directly from the fridge. It doesn't need any internet connection and by default collects temperature each 20 minutes. Delta Proxima principle is temperature monitoring made easy. Just use it.